Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish hiding places. First, gather your materials. You'll need items like PVC pipes, ceramic pots, or even specialized aquarium decorations. Make sure everything is thoroughly cleaned and free of any sharp edges that could harm your fish. Always choose non-toxic materials safe for aquatic environments. Consider your fish's size and the tank's capacity when selecting items. Next, let's design the layout. Arrange your chosen materials to form secure, enclosed spaces where your fish can feel safe. It's important to include multiple entry and exit points so fish don't get trapped. Think about creating different levels and textures to add visual interest and varied hiding spots. Always ensure the structures are stable and won't collapse or shift, which could injure your fish. Safety is paramount when creating these havens. Carefully smooth any rough edges on your materials using sandpaper or a file to prevent fin damage. Double-check that all items are aquarium safe and won't leach harmful chemicals into the water. For an even better environment, consider integrating natural elements like live plants. These provide additional cover and contribute to a healthier ecosystem. Finally, remember maintenance and observation. Regularly inspect your fish's new hiding places for cleanliness, removing any accumulated algae or debris. This keeps the environment healthy and inviting. Pay attention to how your fish interact with their new shelters. If they seem stressed or avoid certain areas, you might need to adjust the layout. Enjoy watching your fish thrive in their secure new homes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.